Hello guys, Danadobe here. In this video, I will show you how you can convert your NIN from paper to plastic all by yourself in less than 5 minutes. So guys, let's jump right into the video.
All right, so we'll be making use of the NIN app, which is known as NIMC. So this is the particular app we're going to make use of. To download this app, you can download it in Android or iOS. So I'm using Android. So I'll go to my to just, okay. So let me search for Play. Then I'm go my Play Store. Just go there and in the search icon, search for NIMC. So you see it like this, NIMC mobile app. So is this particular app you are going to install. So I've already installed the app. Just install the app. And with this app, you can be able to generate everything you need in order to get your own NIN in the plastic form. So now there's some important thing you must note after you have downloaded the application and you have already installed is that you must have access to the number that you used to register your NIN. It's very important. And if for any reason whatsoever you have misplaced that number, there's a video I created on how you can solve it. You can check out that video. So you see the video up there, and I'll put the video in the description box. And also at the end of this video, I'll also put the video. Check out that video in case you have any issue with your NIN. You can solve it in just a very little time. So guys, so after I have successfully downloaded the application, if I should open the app will not permit me to actually do a screen record because they actually stop it at no screen record and no screenshots. But I'm going to have access to the app by the web. But you can follow suit. Just click on the application, log in, just sign up, put your NIN, they'll send OTP to you, confirm your OTP, they'll send an ID to you, confirm your ID, and you will log in straight. It's very straightforward. But if you have misplaced your NIN, if I've misplaced the phone number I used to register your NIN, it's very simple. Don't worry. Just watch the video up there or put it below. I'll also put it at the end of this video. Just watch that video and you're going to solve that problem. Now that you're successfully logged in into your NIMC personal account, all you have to do, okay, let me just log in into their web. So I'm using the web version. So you can just follow suit with the mobile version. Just download the application, you sign in, you log in, and you'll be brought straight to something like this. Just click on these three dots here. You see a place here that says print premium slip or print standard slips. Now you're going to pay a certain amount of money to print it. It's 1,000 naira with the charges. Everything is 1,200, just a one time. So let's say, for example, I want to print the premium. Now the premium has advantage over the standard. The premium comes with your NIN, also come with your ID card, with your date of birth, come with your photo card, the date of birth, and this is very beautiful. I would advise you to go with the premium one. So all you have to do is to pay with remitter. Just click on pay with remitter. When you click on pay with remitter, this is going to just take you to all the O payment. And when you successfully finish the payment, all you have to do is to download the NIN, so that they're going to give you a particular PDF that you can able to download. And if any reason whatsoever, after successfully paid, and you're not being directed to where you can download your NIN, all you have to do is to put the because something that's a remitter number, just put that number here and click on check status, and this is going to solve that problem. Now that successfully downloaded your PDF of your NIN, all you have to do is to go to where you've downloaded. So mine is being downloaded. It's been downloaded to my to my file manager. So I just locate my file manager. When I look at my file manager, I open the PDF. Then I'm going to take a screenshot. So when I open the PDF, as a normal you open your PDF image, I'm going to take screenshot of it. I will extend it. I'm going to extend the whole of the ID card. So it's going to zoom up like this, as you can see it on my screen. All I have to do is just going to screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot. When I screenshot it, I'm going to ensure that the first one, I will pick the font. So this is going to be the font I'm going to pick. Just make sure that you've picked both sides. Then you click on save. That will be the first one. Then after successfully screenshot, you have saved the first page. You also do that for the second page. Just come here and also screenshot for the second page. For the second side where you see disclaimer. So you just come here and you cut away the first side. Cut away the first side like this. I can see me. I'm cutting it away, and then you click on save. So now you have successfully gotten both the front side and the back side. So then you go to your Google Play Store again and download this mobile application. Actually, you can actually do this on Canva too. You can use Canva to do this, or you can use this Pizza Lab app to do it. So let's say, for example, you want to use Canva. Just open your Canva. So I'm just going to open my Canva now. So I want to use Canva. Don't forget that you can use Pizza Lab. You can use Canva. You can use any application that you can use to design on your phone. But since everybody make use of Canva, you can use Canva. You can use the free version of Canva. So when you log into your Canva, all you have to do is to on the search icon here, just search for ID card. Just search for ID card. search for ID card. So when you search for ID card, so many templates go to pop up for you, this and that, so many templates. All you have to do is just, okay, let me click on search so that I can have it as a O. So different templates go to pop up for me, but I want a blank template so that I can actually do my own ID card. Now, if you don't want to do all this part, when you have successfully downloaded a PDF, you can go to Cafe. They're able to craft it out and print it out for you on a plastic ID card. So I want to do this myself. So I'll click on this blank one on Canva. So when I click on this black one on Canva, it's just going to open up for me. I'll just give you some time, due to network, this and that. My Canva is going to open up. So this is the size of an ID card that Canva has automatically given to you. So I would advise you use Canva because Canva is going to give you the size of an ID card. So now that I'm here in the size of an ID card, all you have to do is to come to my Canva. You can see gallery. I'll click on gallery. Don't forget that I've already screenshot both sides. So I'll click on gallery. Then I'm going to put the first side, which is going to be where my own face is. I'll put the first side, which is where my own face is. So this first one, I'm going to click on add to image, and this is going to be added to my image, just like this. So all I have to do is just to zoom it, just go to zoom it to cover up the ID card place. So just zoom it, and it's going to be okay, just like this. So I've done the first part. You can also do the second part. To be able to do the second part on your Canva, you're going to see this button icon here. Just click on that button icon, and it's going to load up. It's going to give you opportunity to add another page, which is like this plus. So you click on this plus. When you click on this plus, then click on it again, and it's going to open up like this for you. So you click on this particular plus, you are seeing the plus in kind of purple. Then you click on the other side, which is going to be the back side of your ID card, something like this. So you can just do it like this, the way it is. You can put it upside down, the way it is upside down. When you go to print it, to be able to adjust it, or better still, you can just adjust it. So to adjust it, you just go down here. You see flip in your Canva. Just put flip vertical, and it's going to flip like that. Then after I've clicked on flip vertical, also click on flip horizontal, so that it's going to look perfect for you. So now I've gotten our NIN, I've gotten the front page and the back page. So all you have to do is just to download it. So to download it, you click on this download icon here. Click on this download, and when you download it, you're able to download it as an image itself. So ensure you download this as an image. So when you download it as an image, this is going to give you both the front side and the back side. So just go to Cafe and print it. Tell them that they should put it on a plastic ID for you. And that is all. You are successfully getting your NIN in plastic. Super fun, super easy. And one other thing is that you can also follow this process to do for other people. Just get their NIN. Tell them you can help them to convert it to plastic ID card. Get their NIN. Do the same process. Log into the account. Log into the app. Then pay for the premium slips. You get your ID card, and that is it, guys. So I'm sure you have gotten value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, you can comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. Don't forget that if you have any problem with your NIN, you can check the video below. This video you are seeing now, you can check it out and you're able to solve that problem. So guys, I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you. Take care of yourself. Bye.